Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning how to use looping statements such as for and while loop in shell script with an example to print numbers from 1 to 10. So we shall start now. Initially, if we are using the for loop, then there is no need for us to declare a variable in the beginning itself. We can start writing the program directly for condition where we are creating a variable I which is assigned with the value 1 since we are supposed to print the numbers from 1, and the termination condition for the numbers to be printed is it should be less than 20. And if we want to print 20 also, then we can put it as less than or equal to 20, and we are incrementing the value of I for every iteration by 1. So with this loop, normally in most of the languages, for loop is enclosed within two flat brackets. In shell script, for loop is enclosed with the keyword do and done. Any statements that is going to get satisfied with the for loop condition, then we are going to do some task. If the condition doesn't satisfy, we are going to exit using the done condition. So in this program, we are supposed to display or print the values of I. So that is done using echo statement, and $I represents the value that on the value variable I. Okay. Similarly, using while loop, the first step we have to initialize variable I to initial value that is 1. And in while statement, we should check whether I is less than 20. If true, then do print value of I. Else exit, that is done. Okay. Now let us see how to do it programmatically. The first step which we have discussed is declare a variable and initialize the value of variable to be as 1, and then check the condition using while condition, and what we are supposed to check is whether the value of variable I is less than 20. If it is less than 20, then do. What to do? We are supposed to print the value that is present in your variable I. If this does condition, for each and every iteration, we are supposed to increment the value of I by 1. So I is equal to $of that is the value of I plus 1. Here, for each and every iteration, we are going to increment the value of I, check the condition with the while loop. If it satisfies, then come print the value of I, again increment the value of I, goes on. If once the termination condition occurs, that is I is not less than 20, then you are going to exit from the while loop. Now to compile and execute, press Alt Ctrl T. You are going to come to terminal and then give the command bash name.sh and your output will be displayed.